Hi, I'm Assistant Principal Jeanette Hill of Apex High School. Here's the timeline of our new school construction. We moved out of the old Laura Duncan Road campus in 2017. Builder Balfour Beatty Construction began demolition immediately and then started site preparation. By September, the foundations of the parking deck and work on a wall for the athletics wing could be seen. Work started on footings for the main building. By December, work on the parking deck had progressed, and foundation work started to outline the planned structure. By February, athletic spaces near the ball fields have roofs. Steel superstructure is erected, and the parking deck is in use. Walls begin to rise for the school auditorium near Laura Duncan Road, while workers use a crane to erect the steel superstructure for the upper floors of the classroom building. By June, the walls are up for the auditorium and gym, and work continues on the 4-story classroom building enclosing the central courtyard. 1 year after construction started, the entire building is under roof. By February, the building begins to have a more finished look with the completion of brickwork on the 4-story structure. We continue to see progress at the site daily. We look forward to returning home to our new building on Laura Duncan Road for the start of the new school year in August 2019.